In continuation to the lecture series of network analysis, we will be discussing uh, another practical tool, that is expected time and variance. So the session is particularly dedicated for calculation of expected time and variance. This is calculated when we are using PERT, project evaluation and review technique. Now, this session only talks about the calculation method of expected time and variance, and it does not talk about how to apply these expected time and variance, right? So it is not all about the application of expected time and variance, it is about the calculation of expected time and variance, fine? So we have been given a problem. The problem says the following table shows the jobs of a network along with their time estimates. Now see, we know about this activity, right? And we also know that in a project, it is the collection of events and activities are those which connect to events, correct? So here it is given event 1 and event 2 is being connected by an activity. Similarly, 1 and 6 are connected, 2 and 3, 2 and 4, 3 and 5, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 5 and 8, 7 and 8, right? Now see, in our earlier videos, we used to have only one time associated with the activities. But here we have three different types of times. One is called optimistic time, one is most likely time, one is pessimistic time, right? I'll take the example of the first activity and try to see what are these time represents. When I say optimistic time, it means the number of times the experiment has done or the activity has been done, the best time in the sense, the least time has been taken as only 1 hour, right? The worst time means the maximum time taken to complete this activity, that is 13 hours. And 7 is the most likely time, so it is the average time you might conclude as, right? uh, Most likely time is the time which has been uh, observed during most number of times it has occurred, whereas optimistic time is the best time, that means the least time it has taken. Pessimistic time is the worst time, that means the maximum time it has taken. So we have been given a situation where we don't know how much time will it take, but three different categories of time has been given, that 1 to 2 in best condition can be done in 1 hour, mostly it is done in 7 hours, and in worst condition it can be done in 13 hours. So this three time values have been given for all the activities. Now we are supposed to calculate expected time for each activity, and we are supposed to compute variance for each activity, right? So see, to start our problem, we need to draw a table. The column says the activity column, so I have just brought down these activities here. For each activity there are corresponding three times. OT stands for optimistic time, and symbolically it is denoted by T0. So I have written all the values for optimistic time. Most likely time is written as MLT, and symbolically it is TM. So all the values have been mentioned here. Lastly, pessimistic time is written as PT, and symbolically it is TP. Now we are supposed to calculate two things, that is expected time and variance. So firstly we'll calculate expected time and then we'll go for variance. See, for expected time is denoted by TE, and we use the formula TE equals to T0 plus 4 into Tm plus Tn. Now T0 is your optimistic time plus 4 into Tm, that means your most likely time, plus Tn is your pessimistic time, and this summation has to be divided by 6, right? So we'll start for the first activity. For first activity, it is T0 is 1 plus 4 into this is 7 plus Tn is 13 and the whole is divided by 6. So let us add 7 into 4 is 28 plus 1 is 29. 29 plus 13 is 42 by 6. 42 by 6. So it is 7. Next, TO is 2 plus 4 into Tm is 5. Sorry, Tm is 5 plus Tp is 14 divided by 6. So 4 into 5 is 20 plus 2 is 22 plus 14 is 36 divided by 6. So 36 divided by 6 equals to 6. Next, TO is 2 plus 4 into Tm is 14 plus 26 divided by 6 equals to, see, 4 into 14 is 56 plus 2 is 58 plus 26 is 64 plus 20 84. So 84 by 6 equals to 14. Next, TO is 2 plus 4 into is 5 plus TP is 8. So divided by 6. Now again 4 into 5 is 20. 20 plus 2 is 22 plus 8 is 30. So it is 30 by 6. That means 5. Next, TO is 7 plus 4 into TM is 10 plus TP is 19 divided by 6. So 4 into 10 is 40 plus 7, 47, 47 plus 19, 56, 66. So 66 by 6 equals to 11. Next, TO is 5 plus 4 into 5 plus 17 divided by 6. So 4 into 5 is 20, 20 plus 5 is 25, 25 plus 17 is 42. So it is 42 by 6 equals to 7. Next, TO is 5 plus 4 into TM is 8 plus 29 divided by 6, right? So 4 into 8 is 32 plus 5 is 37, 37 plus 29 is 66 divided by 6, so it is 11. Next, TO is 3 plus 4 into TM is 3 plus TP is 9 divided by 6. So 4 into 3 is 12, 12 plus 3 is 15, 15 plus 9 is 24. It is 24 by 6 equals to 4. Lastly, TO is 8 plus 4 into 17 plus 32 divided by 6, which is equals to 7 into 4, sorry, 4 into 17 is 68 plus 8 is 76. 7608 by 6 equals to 18, right? So this is our expected time, right? In our earlier questions, we had given this time value only instead of these values, right? Now, we are supposed to calculate variance as well. For variance, we have the formula Tn minus To divided by 6 and square of the final value. So, we have Tn are, I'm sorry, this is not Tn, rather this is Tp. Just a minute. This is Tp, right? So it is Tp minus To by 6 and whole square of this. So your Tp is 13, right? Your To is 1. So it is 13 minus 1 bracket, right? Divided by 6 and square of this value. Square of this value. Fine. So what will happen is 13 minus 1 is 12 divided by 6, right? So 12 divided by 6 is 2 and 2 square is 4. Or let me write it this way. So it is 12 by 6. So it is 2 square, finally it is 4, right? Now, so see here TP is 14 now. TO is 2 now. So again, well, I have 14 minus 2 is 12. 12 by 6 is 2 and 2 square. So it is 4. Right? It is 4. I'm copying paste it so that I need not to worry about the format every time. Now see, TP is 26. So let me take out 26. This is 2. So let it be 2 only. Fine. And by 6 whole square. So 26 minus 2 is 24. Divided by 6 is 4. 4 square is 16. Fine. Now TP is 8. So instead of 14, it will be 8. TO is 2. So let it be 2. So 6 by 6 is 1. 1 square is 1. Next. TP is 19. So instead of 14, it will be 19. Then TO is 7. So instead of 2, it will be 7. 19 minus 7 is 12. 12 by 6 is 2. 2 square is 4. Right? Next, TP is 17. Sorry, 17. TO is 5. So I'll change it to 5. 17 minus 5 is 12. 12 by 6 is 2. 2 square is 4. Right? Next, say TP is 29. So let me replace it by 29. TO is 5. Let me replace this by 5. So 29 minus 5 is 24. Divided by 6 is 4. 4 square is 16. Next, TP is 9. Minus TO is 3. So 9 minus 3 is 6. 6 by 6, 1. 1 square is 1. And finally, TP is 32. Minus TO is 8. So 32 minus 8 is 24. By 6 is 4. 4 square is 16. Now, therefore, for each activity, we have now expected time and we have even calculated our variance, right? Hope you have understood how to calculate this. Now, for any further doubt, you can contact to me on this email ID, right? Hope you have understood the concept. Thank you.